So, hello and welcome everyone another video. Today we are discussing another Leetcode daily question. So, if you like to really follow Leetcode daily, you can subscribe to my channel and we will continue every day. Okay, from now and then. So, question is k radius subarray averages. Okay, you are given zero index array nums an integer and an integer key. Just a simple given. Okay. The k radius average for a subarray of nums centered at index I. So what it really means, I will be center and its radius will be k plus elements and k minus elements, just like a circle you can imagine. Okay, this k plus element is half semicircle and k minus element will be half semicircle. Okay, radius of k is the average of all element of num between I minus k and I plus k inclusively. Okay, means simply add it and divide it by the number of elements. If there are less than k element before the index I, then k radius average is minus 1. So that is what. If there is not a particular, what you can say, the axis it goes in minus direction. There is no element present. I mean index 0 is our first point, and k, if k is equal to 2, then we must start at second position. We cannot say that we are starting at one position and going to minus 1 and just adding up all the elements and giving the sum, because it will be array out of bound condition. Okay, so that is what it means. The average of x element is the sum of x element divided by x. Okay, that is what I simply inclusively this word. Okay, so this is what the first example is. So here k is 3. So before k, all element must be minus 1. Okay, at kth position of the array we will start and end up k minus n minus k positions. Okay, n minus k. So here are total 9 elements. Okay, you get it. 9 minus k will be 9 minus k will be 3 will be 6. So we will be end up at 6. Okay, this is zero base indexing, so simply we can go. So here what you can get an idea for this sum, you need to traverse from I minus 1 in one loop, I minus k to I, and then I plus 1 to I plus k in second loop. This will be our brute force approach for particular index I, and I will be must start from k. Okay, there is another condition. Let's see the constraint. Okay, here are the given constraints. So n is up to 10 to the power 5. So it simply indicates that you must find O of n solution, because if you use 2 for loops, then it will go up to 10 to the power 10 time complexity, and it will be TLE most. Okay, computer can perform at most 10 to the power 9 operation in 1 second. So that is what the basic observation, and k will be also 10 to the power 5. If we will like to use that brute force approach by just starting at the kth position of the array and then go for n minus k positions, and uh, uh, inside the for loop we are going to traverse k I minus k elements and I plus k elements, that will be not possible, because its overall complexity will go up to 10 to the power 10, and that is, that gives TLE. And another observation that if here is not given that n must be greater than k, or k must be less than n. That is not the condition here. So we need to take care that if k is less than n, if k is less than n, that means there is a possibility that we can generate that subarray from particular index in our array or in our range that is given. So that is basic observation, that k is less than n, then only possibility of there at particular index, at any index in the array, there will be a particular range sum and that inclusive average will be present. Okay, so let's see by a code in a very well manner, it will be understand you in very easy. Okay, let's see that. I will be increase the size. Okay. So basic approach for this question will be prefix sum. We will going to store a particular sum at till the particular index from 0 to that particular index. So it will be easy for us to get that average in O of one operation. Okay. So here we gonna to just store prefix sum in prefix array or vector. What you can say that typecasting is the most important factor here because our elements are almost 10 to the power 5. That's nums of 5 will be 10 to the power 5. If 2 10 to the power 5 element will become, that will be going to long condition. Okay. Simply we initialize the resultant array with -1 because we do not like to then traverse and those position which are empty and then given -1 assigning. Simply all the elements will be -1. If k is greater than n, simply return the -1 array. No tension. Okay. So that is what the best condition we are running. So if k is less than n, then only possibility of having then k2 n minus k, we will going to traverse n minus k because do you know that our array is 0 index, then 0 to n. Here 0 to 8 there will be 9 elements, 9 minus 3, that will be 6. Okay, so it will go till 6, n minus k till 6. Okay, it will go till 5 in terms of, but you say you can understand indexing. Okay, that's not a main factor. If our subarray size go, is greater than, or we do not like to include some element. You get that if we are at 9, we will need to include all the element on this side because n minus I minus k will be 0. So we need to include all the elements, and here are a particular element that we can get. So simply I can get the upper hand. Okay, I plus k. This will be my upper hand, and I am having my prefix array or prefix vector here. So I will be just getting that upper hand, and I will be going to minus that lower hand. When lower hand I will minus only in the condition when it really needed. If our size is go beyond indexing from 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, you can get that basic condition. Okay, I minus k minus 1 for this condition till here. I will be just choosing the prefix sum of here and just minusing this prefix sum. So that will be our answer for the current. Now we got the sum, we need to take the average of it. Simply what is the size of our prefix array now? What is the average array? K radius average subarray size will be k into 2 plus 1 because the center is the one element, and k and k both the side will be 2 into k plus 1. So we will simply divide it and take the floor value and assign to that resultant index. Okay, so that is what our approach is. Let's submit and see how it's going. It's gonna work. Just typecasting problem has come when I just use integer to submit the problem because you see that 10 to the power 5 may be the largest element of the array. So that is what it is. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the video, and we will meet tomorrow and next Leetcode daily. Thank you.